Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your status in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to outlook.cloud.microsoft. This will take you to the Microsoft Outlook web app where you can access your email and calendar features. Once the page loads and your email inbox appears on screen, you'll be ready to move forward with changing your status. Now, here's something important you need to know before we continue. Microsoft Outlook doesn't have a direct status changing feature like some other messaging platforms do. However, there's a smart workaround using the calendar that effectively serves the same purpose, and that's exactly what I'll be walking you through today. To get started with this workaround, direct your attention to the quick access toolbar located on the left side of your screen. You'll see several icons here representing different Outlook features. Look for and click on the calendar icon. This will switch your view from your inbox to the calendar interface where you can manage your schedule and, more importantly for our purposes, set your availability status. Once your calendar opens up, you'll see your schedule laid out with dates and times. To change your status, simply click on the current date on the calendar. This action will prompt a new event window to appear, allowing you to create a calendar entry. This is the key to setting your status in Outlook. When the event window opens, take a look at the available options. You'll notice 5 different status settings that you can choose from. By default, the status is set to busy, and you'll see this displayed in a drop-down menu. Click on this busy drop-down to reveal all your status options. From here, you can select the status that best represents your current availability. Your options include free, which shows you're available for meetings and calls, working elsewhere, which indicates you're working but not at your usual location, tentative, which suggests you might be available but aren't certain, busy, which clearly shows you're occupied, and out of office, which tells others you're not working at all. Choose whichever status accurately reflects your current situation by clicking on it. After you've selected your preferred status, save this event by clicking the Save button. The system will process your changes and apply them to your calendar. Once saved, this event will appear on your calendar for the day and date you've chosen, effectively displaying your current status to anyone who checks your availability in Outlook. This way your colleagues and contacts can see whether you're available, busy, or out of office at any given time. And that's how you work around Outlook's limitations to set your status using the calendar feature. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.